Hello and welcome to the trade setup. In this video we are looking at strategy. It is time for another update, and on this chart we actually have quite a lot of flexibility, which is why we have generally been focusing more on the actual correction within the smaller time frame, and we have been focusing on the internal structure to give us a better indication of when we should really expect a bottom to be in place. But I do want to still go briefly through the various interpretations to provide context and a common theme between all these scenarios that I could realistically track for an uptrend to still continue. Now, firstly, we have the white scenario where this would be a wave 1 top, a wave 2 down, and the third wave would have formed a more significant top here. We would be tracking a wave 4 correction where the area of support ends at the $22 level. Now, even within this white scenario, I could be looking for an extension where the top of the wave 1 would be instead here. We would have a running flat correction within a wave 2, and this third wave would be expected to form still higher prices. Now, for this, we would need to consider something like an ABC pattern to unfold. The area of support would be very similar with what we are tracking in this white interpretation anyway, at the $22 level. Yeah, we can have here a brief drawing of the area of support, but as you can see, it overlaps perfectly the last level, the 78.6% retracement, with the $22 level at the 61.8% retracement, which is actually a positive sign because that means we can continue to track the uptrend against the same area, the same level for continuation higher. Then I wouldn't necessarily still consider this to be the most likely scenario. I would probably be looking for a more significant third wave top to already be in place, but we are leaving that open-ended. Now, what else could work out on this chart? So we have the possibility of the yellow interpretation where this could have been instead an ABC pattern, and we would form a more significant top once we build this entire movement to the upside with one more high needed within a fifth wave. Now, the area of support would still be heavily overlapping with what we have in the white interpretation. Yeah, just we would have been able to turn around a little bit earlier, but right now we entered already the larger area already, and it will be a smaller area of support. We would need to turn around before we break the $43.6 level for this scenario to still remain alive. And of course, we could also be tracking this as a series of 1-2 setups instead. Yeah, and we would have an internal area of support for continuation to higher prices here, but it will once again overlap with what we have already in place, already on the chart. So what have we learned based on all these interpretations? We are still looking for higher prices from this area. Below the $22 level, we would need to consider a more substantial top to be in place and be prepared for even a failure of the chart, a failure and a push into much lower prices. Now, again, we will focus on the internal structure. We will rely on this to actually identify an initial uptrend to have formed a reversal, yeah, whatever you may want to call it. And within this structure, we have been tracking this idea of an ABC pattern in orange. This has been in orange because this applies for both scenarios, for both corrections, whether it is the white interpretation, whether it is the yellow structure, whether it is any one of the other counts I have shown you. So here we have an A wave down, a B wave up, and a C wave that is expected to unfold within this idea of an impulse. And this is quite clearly an impulse forming within this wave C, and we have been tracking this as a 1-2 setup, a third wave down, a fourth wave up, and then a fifth wave to complete this correction and this larger pattern. Now, we didn't have here a count for the larger structure because I wanted to keep the chart less crowded, but I would actually like to get it visible, and I hope you can actually still see the internals of this pattern. Based on this structure, I would strongly expect this downtrend to continue for a little while longer at the very least, because I don't even consider that this third wave is actually done. Now, could we see an early completion? Could we be forming a bottom sooner rather than later? Well, of course, it is always possible, especially if we form one of the more complex patterns. Yeah, a WXY pattern would often look as an unfinished correction that could form an ABC structure within this area instead, where a more significant bottom could form once we build this fifth wave within the smaller time frame. Now, in the previous video, we have been focusing on this structure where we had a wave 1 down, a wave 2 up, and the third wave that might have actually formed a more significant bottom. But we did highlight this possibility of an extension within the wave 3. So you see, within this structure, within this wave 3 alone, we could be looking at a 5-wave move as well. And here we would have a 1, 2, 3rd, 4th, and a 5th. But as for this 5th wave, we could still see further extensions. I could still see this to form a 1-2 setup instead, and clearly we didn't manage to break the last level of resistance for such an interpretation. We were tracking this idea, but I needed to see a break above the 50% retracement for a stronger signal that a bottom would instead be in place. Now, since we didn't actually manage to break any of these levels of resistance, but we did get into the area of resistance for a larger wave 4 correction, I need to consider this as a separate scenario and I need to track a potential extension within this wave 3 in orange. And in this case, we would be tracking this blue idea, this blue scenario where an impulse would form within this follow-up wave 3. In this idea, we would have a 1-2 setup, a 3rd wave down, 4th wave up, and then a 5th wave to the downside to complete the structure within the wave 3. Now, I can even provide you an ideal target for this idea. And for the wave 3, we would be watching the 138.2% extension of the wave 1 around the $129 level. And based on the actual internal structure within this movement to the downside, I would actually guess that we should expect even further extensions lower if this is to indeed form an impulse, because within this pattern I would be tracking a 1-2 and then another 1-2 here, a 3rd wave down that could itself extend to even lower prices, a 4th wave up and then a 5th wave. We would have a 3rd wave complete around this area, and then we would still need a 4th, 5th to complete this larger wave 3. Now, of course, again, since we did get into the area of resistance for the orange wave 4, we do need to consider that this could unfold. And if this structure fails to form an impulse within this area, meaning that we get at least another low once we complete the wave 4 correction, I will consider the blue interpretation invalidated and I will solely be tracking this idea of an ending diagonal within the 5th wave in orange. Now, what else could we be tracking? And I will provide you the area of resistance in a moment, but here we have structural support around the line for the 38.2% retracement part of the yellow scenario. Between these levels at around the, let's say, $114 down to the around the $100 level, we would have additional structural support. So even though I wouldn't necessarily expect to form a significant bottom within this area, especially if we are to build a wave C to the downside indeed, I could expect a more significant bottom to form within the larger wave 3, possibly forming a larger relief rally within a follow-up wave 4 correction. But for now, we are still quite far away. We should be focusing more on the internal structure. So here we have the levels of resistance to track for continuation to lower prices within the idea of an impulse. And I would track here something like 1, 2, 3, 4th, and 5th. I could consider this 3rd wave to the downside to already have a bottom in place, but I wouldn't be surprised by further continuations lower. We will track this, however, within a different color, because while the impulse must be the case, must be unfolding for the wave 3 in blue to play out, the wave 5 in orange could also form an impulse within this area. So right now I'm watching for continuation lower in the idea of an impulse against the 50% retracement. And if we manage to get a break above this level, it would be a strong signal that the blue scenario would be failing. The blue interpretation of an extension to lower prices would be failing, and we could see a bottom form sooner rather than later. For this, we are watching the $152 level. I would need to see a sustained break above that before we actually complete the pattern in the structure to the downside. And for now, there really isn't much else to add. I wouldn't focus too much on the larger time frame resistance levels. We can have an update if we see a break and see where we take it from there. But for now, these are the levels. This is the trade setup. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, don't forget to subscribe and let me know what else you want me to cover. And I'll do my best to do that in the days and weeks ahead. And until then, I hope you have a nice day and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.